Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd.
Hassan, you have performed the Hajj and the eyes have received tranquility by looking at the Kaaba. Let's go and see the valley whose path lies within your heart. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. What is meant by Hajj?
Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik.
It is one of the pillars of Islam, an unforgettable journey of forgiveness and mercy. The fortunate Haji gets forgiven and returns just like a newborn baby is free from sins. But the question arises, how shall the Hajj be performed? What is an accepted Hajj? How to wear ihram? What is the way to visit the blessed Kaaba Sharif for the first visit? How shall the Umrah be performed? When go to the Mina? What are the manners of going to the Arafah? What is the method of Jamarat's Rami? When returning back, how and when to perform the Tawafuz Ziyarah and departing Tawaf? And the most important, how to move towards the Valley of Lovers, Medina Pak. For the training of Hajis and to get the answers of questions raising in their minds, Madani channel is bringing a new, full of love and breathtaking silsila, Blessings of Hajj. A silsila which will give you knowledge of Hajj, tears of fear, love of Medina, and hope of intercession. Watch the silsila Blessings of Hajj on Madani channel.
Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ala Muhammad. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है, कोशिश करनी है।